In the bustling city of Antwerp in Belgium stands the Antwerp Tower, where elegance meets modernity and every floor tells a story. Come inside and experience the stunning design of our latest project, a floor coating over 4,100 square meters over lounge areas, a coffee corner, spacious meeting rooms and bright corridors. No matter how the rooms are used, the floor is always a harmonious element of the elegant architecture. The primer and scratch coat was applied to all surfaces using our EP50. And the coating is where all the magic happens, with our PU 420 in perfectly matched colors, topped off with a ceiling layer of PU 806E. In other areas, such as a conference room or hallways, a very creative surface design was achieved by scattering paper cutouts and confetti into the ceiling layer of PU 811E. A two-color concept was created using a concrete look wiping technique with our PU 410 because of its color stability over time. To meet the demands of high pedestrian traffic and easy maintenance in the seating and cafe areas, our customer Stepper opted for a glossy top sealer made with PU 484. We are very delighted that both the architect and the floor installer were so pleased with the final result of our coating systems. You are also very welcome to visit the tower, part of which is also open to the public, to see for yourself the exceptional quality achieved in this project.